the land of the free, where the brave used to speak. A shadow is fallen, it's silent and sleek. No bombs in the streets, no hoods in the night, just whispers and stares that can end your whole life. They don't need a fatwa, they don't need a noose, just a tweet in the dark and your career's cut loose. From campus to boardroom, from screen to the stage, one wrong word spoken and you're locked in the cage. It calls itself justice, it preaches be kind, but crosses are burning in the back of your mind. Wokeism, the greatest threat to speech in our day, bigger than jihad or the Klan's old ways. It owns the institutions, it captures the mind, divides us into tribes where the truth gets left behind. Radical Islam wants your head on a spike, white supremacy marches with torches at night. But this one's inside us, it's wearing a smile, enforcing submission with a velvet guillotine style. Wokeism, oh, it's choking the West. A pseudo-religion that won't let us rest. It fills up the vacuum where faith used to stand, a secular gospel with no room for man. Essentialized sinners, oppressor or oppressed, no nuance, no mercy, just guilt on your chest. DI commissars in every HR throne, universities turn to re-education zones. Like cultural Marxism dressed in new clothes, it metastasizes where liberty grows. It rejects every question, demands you bow down. No open debate in this cultural town. Wokeism, the greatest threat to speech in our day, bigger than jihad or the Klan's old ways. It owns the institutions, it captures the mind, divides us in tribes where the truth gets left behind. Radical Islam wants your head on a spike, white supremacy marches with torches at night. But this one's inside us, it's wearing a smile, enforcing submission with a velvet guillotine style. Wokeism, oh, it's choking the West. The pseudo-religion that won't let us rest. It weakens our will while the real wolf's proud, makes us soft in the head as the outsiders howl. We cancel our brothers for yesterday's sin, while the faithful of all are sharpened blades with a grin. No statues are safe, no history spared, no joke is too small for the purity squad's glare. It preaches diversity but crushes the different, a hive mind rising, conform or be distant. From pronouns to pronouns, from safe space to war, turns neighbor on neighbor, then knocks down the door. Social ostracism, the modern day stake, burned brighter than crosses for heaven's new sake. It laughs at the founders, it sneers at the bill. The First Amendment's just paper to kill. A faith without God, but with saints in the field, confessing your privilege is all that you need. Greatest domestic threat we face, silencing voices in this American place. Greater than Islamism's furious call, greater than supremacy's bitter downfall. It divides and conquers from within our own walls, while the West grows fragile and answers the falls. Wake up from the fever, reclaim what is ours, free speech or submission. The choice is now ours. Wokeism, it's time that we see the real danger is a wearing progressive decree. It's choking the West, the new Inquisition won't let us rest. Speak now, or forever hold your peace, but they won't let you.